Good morning, afternoon, evening, friends and family, loved ones. This is your friend Kelly. And I got a Brian and a Kelly win here together that we got from Dark Water. And this is so friggin' awesome. I've been playing with it off and on since we got it this afternoon. But number one, he's got himself a 3D printer and he printed this little tote box, which number one was awesome. And I forget number 13, I forget what he called these guys. But Brian, of course, likes blue, so he got a black and blue one. And I, of course, got purple. And he gave mine angel wings. Isn't that so freaking awesome? And these do come off. They were actually off when I got them. But I put the katana set on the back of mine. And Brian's already loaded his dude up with a couple guns. Or pew-pews. Maybe I should say pew-pews. Don't want to say trigger the friggin' YouTube deals just because I mentioned GUNs, even if it's regarding toys. But what's funny is my actual lady, do you see? She's got boobies. Boobies. But it does look like he gave me printed out additional chest guard without. So if we want to swap that out. But this is just perfect the way it is. But he printed out a lot of extra. Got a knife. Got like a little pistol. And let's see, this is part of the armor pieces. Different hands. Even little piece hands. Holding up 2 fingers. Thumbs up. I'm not sure how well you're going to be able to see these. But hand that there's just so much cool stuff. A knife in a sheath. Another gun. I mean, this is just so friggin' cool. Bunch of different hands. Oh goodness, what's this? New foot, a different foot. Looks like it's a little bit bigger. It is just so cool. Because you can set them up to where they sit on stuff. I know it isn't going to show up well with the blackness and the darkness and stuff. But, oops, I keep knocking her down. Let's see if I can get it to stay. But pretty much every joint is articulating on this. This is just freaking cool. The head and everything else. You do have to have it like sitting on something or leaning against something. I don't think they will be able to stand on their own. I haven't tried that yet. They might. Yes, they can. You can see him. He's standing on his own. But these are just friggin' cool. I'm going to have to make room up here on my little shelf in front of my computer monitor and see if I can't load her up and have her sitting here. Unfortunately, I won't get to keep Brian's. He's going to take it. He ain't giving me a choice on that matter. But anyway, I wanted just to say thank you, Dark Waters. These are so friggin' awesome. And this will definitely be something that will stay in my collection because this isn't something think I'll be getting any more of, probably. I don't foresee anybody else doing the printouts, and I ain't going to ask you to ever do something like this again, because I know this can't be cheap printing these things out. But let's put all the little bits and pieces back in there so I don't lose them. And now, after I finish this video, I'm going to find somewhere for her to sit up here. Either that or I need to put a shelf up to put some of my other odds and ends on to make room for her. And she can have her little friend, my resin pour. She can be protecting it, or it can be behind protecting her. We'll figure something out. I'll get something figured out. Because I got all kinds of stuff up here. Anyway, thank you. Awesome. If you don't know who Dark Water is, please check out his channel. He does a lot of awesome modifications. A lot of anodizing that he does really good jobs on too. I've gotten a few of his knives and I didn't think to grab them to show again, but I've got a video. If you haven't seen it, check out my video. I'm sure I've mentioned Dark Water in the title. But I'll link him down below. If you're, like I said, if you're not subscribed, go subscribe. Go like his channel. Watch a couple videos. Comment. It's greatly appreciated. We like to try to all help each other out, and this is just so awesome. I have to give Brian back his. Darn it. But anyway, thank you for watching. Many hugs, many kisses, much love. Your friend Kelly. Bye-bye.